IIM Ahmedabad में like what is the minimum score that you need to get
So it
into?
depends, like, because IMA offers you. So basically, IMA, as I was telling you, have quotas. So basis quotas, the percentage also, like percentile also decreases. But for general, it's above, of course, 99.8, 99.9
Okay.
percentile. Yeah. But as having said that, I told you there's a percentage of seats that people have reserved for category or kind of diversified profiles, like for doctors, lawyers, architects. We had ISRO scientists coming in. So there's always a play where a little lesser percentile person is also coming in, because if they're coming from a diversity or a different kind of route or from a quota.
And what is the like lowest percentile someone would have got and he also got into CAT? Sorry, he also got
I
into IIM Ahmedabad.
I think like the people that, like, in my batch, I can say I know of people who have come in at, and I mean, they might come from the quota route, so it can be around 78 to 80,
Okay.
85 percentile. I've seen 80 to 85.
Okay.
I've also seen people without a quota at 80 getting in as well, because of a diversified profile. But that only happens in Ahmedabad, because Ahmedabad has started focusing a lot more on diversity as a, a field per se. But in other B schools, like for example in Bangalore, they're very, very fixated on your work experience. So if you come from a very strong work experience or have a lot of work ex, you get an entry. Like for me, I didn't even have the Bangalore call, because
Oh.
I was a fresher at that time, and maybe I was not fitting in the work ex. Like I didn't have work ex. So it depends, like which B school are also you targeting. So every, even in A, B, C, L, they all look at very different qualities to take you in, and they give weightage also to different qualities. Um, yeah.
Got it, fair. And what was your
So
GMAT
my
score?
GRE, I gave
Okay,
my
GRE.
GRE. So my GRE score was 332 on 340.
Hmm.
Gave CAT also, so that was 98.7 percentile.
And how do you want to talk about how did you prepare for GRE and CAT briefly?
Sure. So GRE, I think as a engineer, I already have a strong math background. तो GRE का मैथ रिलेटिवली कैट जितना हार्ड नहीं होता. सो उसमें इफ़ यू नो टेक अप बेसिक GRE गाइड्स एंड दोज बुक्स, वो आप सॉल्व करोगे. 10th तक का मैथ्स अगर एक बार रिवाइज कर लोगे, यू विल बी गुड विद द मैथ पोर्शन. वर्बल इज समथिंग विच इज़ वेरी इंटेंस इन GRE, स्पेशली वोकेबलरी. तो उसमें देर आर लॉट ऑफ दीज बैरन्स 1000 वर्ड लिस्ट एंड लॉट ऑफ दीज पब्लिशर्स जो अपनी 2000 वर्ड लिस्ट पब्लिश करते हैं. तो वो कैब बहुत ज़्यादा आपको प्रैक्टिस करनी पड़ती है. आई रिमेंबर मेरे टाइम पे मैंने फ्लैश कार्ड्स बना दिए थे. वर्ड लिखा था हिंदी में, मैं कैसे मीनिंग सोचती वो लिखा था, सेंटेंस बना के लिखा था. एंड फॉर गुड 2 months आई यूज्ड टू कीप जस्ट रीडिंग इट एवरीवेयर. तो वर्बल ग्रामर काफ़ी इंपॉर्टेंट होता है. तो ये इन चीज़ों पे देर आर लॉट ऑफ कोचिंग क्लासेस दैट यू कैन ऑप्ट फॉर. सो आई हैड ऑप्टेड फॉर अ कोचिंग क्लास इन माई अंडरग्रेड. एंड फिर उसके बाद खुद ही सेल्फ स्टडी. मॉक टेस्ट आर वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. तो GRE खुद भी मॉक टेस्ट मतलब देते. ETS इज़ द टेस्टिंग बॉडी, सो दे हैव अ फ्यू फ्री मॉक टेस्ट. यू कैन टेक अ सब्सक्रिप्शन ऑल्सो. GMAT के लिए भी सिमिलर होता है. द एग्जाम पैटर्न इज अ लिटिल डिफरेंट. But yeah, and then you can take up other what subscriptions for these tests and give them online. So yeah, I think that's about it. And
Any? Yeah,
yeah,
sorry.
sorry. And about CAT के लिए तो प्रॉपर वो इंटेंस competitive एग्जाम के लिए जैसे प्रिपेयर करते वो किया था. I joined a coaching class.
Which one?
So I was going to एक minute, I need to think about it. So I had Times का subscription for CAT, and I'll get back on the name.
हाँ
for
ठीक है,
हाँ
cool.
हाँ.
बट ये
And
ये इसमें एक चीज़ जो बहुत अलग है, लाइक आई ऑलवेज कीप टेलिंग कि ISB vis-a-vis the IIMs, राइट, कि कैट एक दिन है, वन डे वन पेपर, एंड इट गेट्स डिसाइडेड कि तुम कहाँ है, वॉट एवर योर फेट इज, राइट. But with these, like for GRE, GMAT, you can give it, like you choose the date, you choose where you're giving the paper, like the center, etc. So even that, we were, we always, like batchmates always used to discuss कि ये क्या है यार, मतलब what are you. But there's also a thing, right, कि CAT में they are testing you that there will be a time where things might not go according to what you had thought, right? तुम ट्रैफिक में अटक गए, तुम सेंटर पे लेट आए, तुम एसी बहुत ज़्यादा है. In pressured situations, how are you performing in that paper is also judged. Pros and cons दोनों papers के हैं. And that's why adaptability भी हम देख रहे हैं कि दोनों papers की हो रही है. And GRE GMAT is also getting adapted in all of these schools. But for CAT, that was what's the justification that we had got. Ki they're testing you even there, not only on the knowledge that you're going to give, but also on like how well do you perform in pressure, and yeah.
So the classes were called IMS.
Okay.
Yeah.
IMS.
Yeah, I had so many. I had enrolled in everything possible at that point of time, so that's why. But yeah, I think and also about CAT, it's like a 2-hour long puzzle that you're solving. मतलब तुम्हारे टॉपिक कवर होने से ज़्यादा मैं तो बहुत बार लोगों को बोलती हूँ कि अगर लॉजिकल एनालिसिस रीजनिंग अच्छा लगता है तो एक बार कैट का पेपर लिख के देखो, मज़ा आएगा. बिकॉज इट्स अ फन puzzle that you solve, lot of problem solving that you do. And on the other hand, GRE GMAT is also, it's a 4.5 long paper. तो उतना बैठना भी तुम्हें आना चाहिए. वो AC में
At a stretch 4 hour.
Yeah, at a stretch. बीच में सिर्फ 10 मिनट का ब्रेक होता है.
Okay.
Where you can't go out also, like so you can move and go to the washroom, that's it. So काफ़ी दो अलग टाइप की preparations होती है दोनों एग्जाम के लिए. But yeah, interesting journey. But
And any free resources that you know of or you recommend for anyone who wants to prepare for their CAT or GMAT or GRE?
I think for CAT there are a lot of YouTube series that have started where they keep doing question solving, doubt solving जो चलता रहता है. So I think YouTube is a good place for CAT. For GRE GMAT, like I mentioned, that they ETS, the website itself has few free resources. But other than that, I think it's more about just reading online, and you'll get a lot of websites that have content and questions that you can go through. Yeah.
And कोई reference books use की थी CAT या GRE preparation के लिए?
कैट के लिए तो IMS की बुक्स यूज़
Okay.
की थी मैंने. मॉक टेस्ट बहुत सारी दी थी, तो यू कैन एनरोल इन जस्ट द टेस्ट गिविंग पार्ट ऑफ ऑल दीज एग्जामिनेशन सेंटर्स और कोचिंग क्लासेस दैट आर देयर. GRE के लिए आई रिमेंबर देर इज़ I honestly don't remember the names of the books, but yeah, there are few reference books.
If you learned something new from this video, do share it with your friends and subscribe to this channel so that we can bring you the best content possible. Also, if you want to watch this entire episode, click on the link in the description box and you can go to Kushal Lodha YouTube channel and watch the entire podcast episode. Thank you so much for watching this and have an amazing day.